Alright, we're working on the power steering cylinder here. It's got a lot of leakage on it, and I'm going to work on getting it out and rebuilding it. I have a kit for it, I think. I hope it's the right one. It's kind of a guess, but we're going to see if we can do this. Right on. That's what I'm talking about. I got it out. Let's go rebuild it. Alright, I found this. I felt like maybe it needs to come out. Alright, well that was it. I hope it's easier to get in than it is to get out. Okay. I don't know how that's going to fit. It fits. It's going to be tricky, to say the least. I got it started, kind of bent it a little, and I've got it started inside there, so let's see if we can work it in. There we go. There we go. All clean, ready to go back together. That's just some bar and chain oil. Just something to lubricate it a little bit so it goes in nice and smooth, hopefully. I'm going to feed this wire in backwards, counterclockwise, not backwards, but counterclockwise, until it wraps, until I see it full revolution, and then I'll cut them off and hammer it into place in here, and so it'll be like it was, except with a new wire. And this came with the rebuild kit too, so that was nice. There we go, she's going. Alright, so the trick is to pull it back to you a little bit and then try to push the whole wire forward like that. Yep. So pull it back a little bit. Just a little. And then I try to push that bend forward. Like that. in, because then nobody back out. So I'm gonna cut that right there. You know? I know, okay. This is the seal side, and this was on the bottom, so we go just like that. Okay, I think we got it. There we go. There we go. One at a time. Just ring back on here. So that just keeps that pin from popping up. And I know that's threaded on top to put a nut on to make it to where you can pry up on it and get it pulled out, but I couldn't find a nut to fit it. There's probably one on the tractor somewhere, but I never did find one. Alright, well there's that. Alright, the cylinder was leaking real bad. It was obvious. There was hydraulic fluid everywhere. It may be leaking from these hoses still. I don't know if they are. I'll look at replacing them. They look like they'll be expensive. But this was also leaking, and now it's rebuilt. So I've got a couple other things to do before we test it, because of my obviously I got to get the engine running and hydraulic fluid replaced. So we'll come back to this and check it later.